DoorDash Peak Pay only shows up during high-demand delivery times, and it gets added on top of your base pay when the system detects more orders than drivers in a specific area. By the end, you'll understand what peak pay actually is, where it appears inside the app, and how drivers consistently end up working more of it without guessing or waiting randomly. Start with what peak pay actually means. Peak pay is extra money, added per delivery when demand is high. It is not permanent, and it does not apply to every order. It only appears in specific zones during specific time windows. Now look at where you actually see it. Peak pay shows up in the DoorDash app, inside the map view. Zones highlighted with extra pay indicate where peak pay is active. Those zones usually change throughout the day depending on order volume. Now look at timing. Peak pay is most likely to appear during lunch and dinner hours. That is when customer orders increase and available drivers get spread thinner. The system uses peak pay to encourage more drivers to log in during those periods. Now look at why location matters more than anything else. Peak pay is not universal across a city. One neighborhood can have extra pay while another nearby area has none. That difference comes from order demand in each zone, not driver activity overall. Now look at how drivers actually use it. Drivers who stay near high-demand zones during peak hours are more likely to catch peak pay orders. Drivers who stay active in low-demand areas may rarely see it, even if they are online at the same time. Now here's what most people miss. Peak pay is not something you turn on or unlock. It is a reflection of where demand is highest at that exact moment. Trying to chase it without watching the map usually leads to wasted time driving between zones. Now the simple breakdown. Peak pay appears when order demand is higher than driver supply in a specific area. It shows up as extra per order pay inside highlighted zones in the map. It changes throughout the day based on real-time demand conditions. Now the takeaway. Peak pay is easiest to understand when you stop thinking of it as a bonus and start thinking of it as a location signal. It shows you where orders are stacking up. It rewards drivers who position themselves in busy zones at the right time. Next step. Open your DoorDash map during lunch or dinner hours and watch how peak pay zones shift every 10 to 20 minutes so you can see how demand moves in real time. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns of gig apps, delivery platforms, and real earning strategies without confusion or hype.